How branding can help small businesses get more customers. Do you know how many small businesses there are in Finland? At the time of the latest count by Statista, there were 229,000 businesses with less than 500 employees, known as small businesses. In reality, the number of small businesses is growing all around the world. If you operate a small business, you are vying with millions of other companies for a distinct position and market position. You cannot expect to outperform your competitors if you are locked in the small business margin and don't focus on your brand's identity. Branding is the process of developing a company's name, logo, and design that can be identified as belonging to the organization. It aids in product identification and differentiation from competing products and services. These provide you with a greater opportunity to separate yourself from the competition and be clear about what you provide. Your brand is a true depiction of who you are as a company and how you want to be perceived. But before we talk about how branding can increase your business, let's first discuss its role. What is the role of a reputable brand? Understanding your target market and the competition for market share is central to branding. Branding is about attracting potential clients who regard you as a solitary source of answers for their demands. Promotions are essential for reaching this client group, introducing your business to them, and developing a brand community. A strong brand will exude the following characteristics. Deliver the message. Confirm the brand's commercial credibility. Connect target prospects on an emotional level with your products and services. Encourage the prospective consumer to make a purchase. Create goodwill and loyalty. Now that we know about the role of branding, let's discuss 6 different ways branding can help small businesses thrive. 1. Branding increases recognition. Branding is vital for your business because it helps people distinguish the products and services you offer. The logo is the most crucial feature of the brand, especially in this regard, as it is effectively the business's face. As a result, the professional logo design must be strong and simple to recall, which influences the individual at first look. 2. Branding builds trust. People are more likely to buy from a company that appears to be reputable and trustworthy. For instance, a small firm may utilize the company's logo on business cards, employee t-shirts, and a professional photograph of the store's facade. Passers-by and those who come into contact with the logo will now be able to identify the company as a reliable social center. 3. Branding increases the business value. When attempting to build a successful future of the business, branding is critical. A well-known brand can add value to a company. It will give your company more clout in a crowded market. Furthermore, because of its well-established market position, it makes your company a more appealing investment opportunity. 4. Branding attracts new clients. A good brand should have no difficulty expanding its sponsorship activity. Customers that have a favorable perception of a company usually have a strong brand image. They may believe they can do business with you because of the familiarity and credibility of your name. How branding can help small businesses get more customers. 5. Branding creates employee satisfaction. Any company's objective is to make its employees feel linked to the company and the brand. It is critical to foster a team atmosphere and to have shared goals. Employees are happier and take more pride in their job when they work for a company with a great brand. 6. Branding supports advertising. Another benefit of branding is advertising. The advertising strategy reflects the brand and puts your company in front of customers. It makes it simple to create an integrated and appealing advertising campaign that best meets your branding objectives and help you scale your business, both in the customer and revenue-wise. Final words. We hope your understanding of branding is transferable to the real world. The strength of branding is to get you closer to the consumer so that they trust you more and recommend you to their circle. It's branding that informs customers about who you are and how trustable your business is. So, we recommend you start focusing on branding as it's one of the best decisions you can take for your business and its growth. Free SEO tools for you. There are free SEO tools available if you already have a website or store for your business, such as website analysis tools that analyze your website with one-to-one marketing funnel comparisons that can help you to make strategies for the future. We also have SEO gadgets, allowing you to check for plagiarism, write articles, etc. Thanks for watching and remember to visit wolfteam.site.